Jain student, today we are going to discuss the movement along a supply curve or change in quantity supplied. Other thing being equal, if quantity supplied increase or decrease due to rise or fall in the price of the commodity alone, it is known as movement along a supply curve or change in quantity supplied. In this, we move along the same supply curve either upward or downward. Upward movement along the supply curve is the expenses of supply, that is more quantity supply at the higher price, while downward movement in a contractions of supply, less quantity supplied at lower price. Now we first discuss the expansion in supply. Reason: increase in price of the commodity as shown in the figure. The price is increases from OP0 to OP1, causing supply or expanded from OP OQ0 to OQ1. Here in figure you can see that the price is increases from OP0 to OP1 and quantity supply expanded from OQ0 to OQ1. The reason: initially at price 0, quantity supplied is Q0, that is point A. When the price is rise from P0 to P1, the quantity supplied increases from Q0 to Q1. This increase in quantity supply is known as expansions of supply. By the schedule you can also know that price of the commodity 10, 20, 30, 40 and quantity supplied 150, 200, 250 and 300. Next, contraction in supply. Reason: decrease in price of commodity as shown in figure. The price decreases from OP0 to OP1 and causing the supply contract from OQ0 to OQ1. The reason for, you can see in the diagram also, where the price is decreases from P0 to P1, so supplied also decreases from Q0 to Q1. At point P0, quantity supplied is Q0, that is at point A. When the price decreases from P0 to P1, the quantity supplied also decreases Q0 to Q1. This is decrease is quantity supplied is known as contractions of supply. Hereby the schedule you can also see that the price of quantity 40, 30, 20, 10 and the quantity supply 500, 400, 300, 200. Now we discuss the shift in supply curve or change in supply. If more or less quantity of the commodity is supplied at every alternative price due to the change in a factor other than the price of the commodity conquered, it is known as shift in the supply curve or change in supply. In this situation, supply curve itself shifted either to the right or to the left. Rightward shift of supply curve indicate increase in supply, while leftward shift indicate the decrease in supply. First, increase in supply. Reason: the decrease in price of related goods, or second, advancement in technology, decrease in cost of factor of productions, fall in excise duty, rise in subsidy, increase in number of firms in the market, change in goal of the producer from the profit maximization to sale maximization, improvement in business expectation promoting higher investment. In figure you can see that at the exacting price P0, quantity supplied is Q0, that is at point A. When the with the shift in the supply curve from SS0 to S1 to S1, the quantity increases from Q0 to Q1, the price remaining constant. The producer shifted from point A to on the old supply curve to the point B on the new supply curve. Next, decrease in supply. Increase in price of the related good, uses of obsolete technology, increase in cost of factor of productions, rise in excise duty, fall in subsidy, decrease in number of firms in the market, change in the role of producer from the sale maximization to profit maximization, extends erosion of business expectation promoting the cut in investment. By the diagram you can say that at the exacting price P0, quantity supplied Q0, that is at point A. With the shift in supply curve from SS0 to SS1, the quantity decreases from Q0 to Q1, the price of remaining constant. The producer shifted from point A on the old supply curve to point B on the new supply curve. Thank you.